Hey there everybody, welcome to West Coast Supercars and Classics. I'm Mark. I'm here today out in front of Aeroline Auto in Victoria, BC, and I'm here today to talk to the owner, John, for the very first time, and we're going to talk about what Aeroline does, and it's pretty exciting stuff, so check this out.
Hey Mark, yeah, so I've been in business for the last 2 years here with our location, Aeroline Auto. I've been in the trade now probably over 20 years. I started painting cars when I was about 15, 16. Got into the custom car building a little bit after that, and here it is, fast forward to 2022. Here we are with my own shop.
You're keeping busy these days, eh? As we were setting up for this little interview here, we've had to move cars in and out. We've had customers coming in and out, so the place is hopping, and inside the shop's nice and busy too. I'll give you a quick view of the shop inside in a moment, but first we're going to talk about what they are doing here. What year is this thing?
So this is a 1952 5-window. This is the last year of the 5-window. Body work was done at A&R, and then it got sent to us for all the body work and the build.
Let's have a look at it.
Yeah, so we got about 500 hours in this thing.
Holy crap.
All the interior was done
Nice.
at LG Customs.
Yeah.
Custom dash is all fabricated into it.
Wow.
All the door jambs, all done like a newer vehicle, smoothed and flushed.
Oh, I like this pattern in here. You got this nice two-tone with the checker in here. The
Yeah,
upholstery. It's kind of nice.
They went with to keep it look like an old style, but much more updated. A couple of the cool features is obviously the different dash from another vehicle, the shifter, the steering column, and the windows is a pretty cool feature. Electric windows with the original roll up. So
Oh, that's awesome. So it keeps the vintage look,
right,
but it's an electric window. That is really smart.
yeah, it really is.
I've never seen that. That's actually really a nice touch.
Yeah, so we're just on the final put together and touch-ups on it.
Yeah.
It has a custom chassis with a Corvette rear end suspension in it. Coilovers up in the front. And here you don't see very often. It has a 427 big block stuffed in there. Firewalls all smoothed out in the inner panels.
Looks really good.
Yeah. The owner of the vehicle did a lot of the assembly on it. We're doing all the final and the finishing build on it. So hopefully in about another week and a half, 2 weeks, we'll have it done. Ship back to the owner in Maple Ridge and trying to hit some car shows this summer with it and see what we can win.
Oh, it's a show car, is it?
Yeah.
Nice.
When she's all done, that's what
this looks really strong. Tell me about the paint here. This is a really nice, I don't know if you can see it on the camera here, but it's got a really nice sheen and flex in it here.
Yeah, this is a custom color we came up with off of another chip with the owner. And we kind of adjusted it to give it a little more kick in the sun. So there's a lot of gold pearls in a translucent green.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks really nice.
Yeah.
In the sun, it's just really popping. I'm glad we did this out here. See, this looks like $1 million out here. How close are the wheels to their final? Is this going to be the look?
There's the center caps that have to go in them still. Yeah. Those are just being finished off at the manufacturer and should be sent down this week. And then obviously they need a proper cleanup, and yeah.
I spotted something else over here though, John. What's this black thing lurking over here? I gotta have a look at this.
Yeah. I gotta go to the shoe store. So this Corvette, I started the build on this thing in around 2010. When I started it, it was just a roof and quarter panels. So we turned this thing into a wide body. And then obviously once we did that, it needed the same horsepower to match. So I went over to Vancouver to a shop called Shenanigans.
I like the little window on this.
Yeah, it's pretty cool, so you can see through it. It's a little dirty, it needs a cleanup, but this engine at top max is around 1,300 horsepower. Obviously to drive it on the street, it's been detuned to around 750 to make it drivable.
Oh wait, there's the blower right there. Okay, you got a single turbo.
Yeah. With methanol injection.
Okay, right.
Yeah.
The whole 9 yards. That's really cool. Yeah. All right. Can you run it on 94 or 91, or what are you running it on?
We're running it on 94 with the methanol. Yeah.
Yeah. Can I have a look at the interior? You were saying that's all custom too, eh?
Yeah. So we did a complete gloss black.
Oh wow. Yeah, I see.
Up through the whole dash. Obviously on the door panels.
Oh yeah. And this has all been nicely integrated too, all the gauges up there.
Yeah.
What's stock on the interior in here?
The seats.
Yeah.
The steering wheel. Yeah, it's a custom V&M ratchet shifter. Everything in the interior's been pulled apart. The kit comes from a company called
Supervettes.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, I see that. So you can install this for customers here at the shop, this kind of thing? Or?
We can. We do have a
Okay.
couple other builds going on.
Mm-hmm.
You guys can check back on those ones in the next couple months.
But I mean, that's the kind of stuff you can do here.
Yep.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
customer comes in, they talk about their wish list of stuff, and you
Yeah,
check
we
off
try
the-
to make people's dreams come true. So
Yeah.
you come in with an idea and a
Yeah.
vehicle, and we sit down and try to go through the build process with you, explain to you what can be done and how we can do it, and then we start coming up with some crazy ideas.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
That sounds like my kind of place. Well, thanks a lot, John, for showing us around Aeroline today. And before I go, why don't we fire up these bad boys and have a listen to the motors? Because I know this Vette is absolutely sick. You got to hear that. But the truck is also pretty off the hook. So do you mind doing that for me?
Yeah, let's grab some keys and fire them
All right,
up.
man. Thank you very much.
It's too late to be scared.